I'm the voice, and this is a Blocknet tutorial video on how to install the Blocknet wallet. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, and then once your web browser is open, you want to go to www.blocknet.co. Once you're at the website, you'll see many options across the top, but go over to the right and click the download link. This will drop you down to an anchor right there where it will show you all the different versions they have for your operating systems. We have Windows, Mac, Linux, and then for further review, setup guides. To the right of each operating system, we have the download links. For this tutorial, we are going to use Windows for our download option. We'll save the file to our desktop. Once the download happens, we're going to go ahead and close our browser. I'm going to move this to the center so we can see it a little bit better. Now you notice on Windows, you have the Defender security icon right over the top because we download this from the internet. It's going to ask me if I want to install this. Windows protected your PC. We're going to go ahead and run it anyway. Then, depending on how you're configured with user account control, you may get this warning message also. Just click yes. Then you'll get the Blocknet install wizard setup. Go ahead and pick the default install folder location, unless you're an advanced user. We'll go ahead and create a start menu shortcut. The install will happen really quickly. Then we will get to a screen where it will ask us for our data directory once we start. Once this opens up, here's where we can change or keep our data directory. I suggest, of course, always keeping the default directory unless you're an advanced user. Then Windows Defender may also send you this message, and just click Allow Access. Now, depending upon the speed of your internet connection, your download will happen anywhere from between 30 minutes to a few hours. This is a 70 megabit per second internet connection, and this took me about an hour and 10 minutes. Now let's click Settings. Now we're going to go ahead and encrypt the wallet to keep ourselves secure. Enter a secure passphrase that you will remember and store elsewhere. Do not lose this password, otherwise you will not be able to decrypt your wallet. Right now it's encrypting the wallet. Now your wallet is encrypted. It will need to be restarted. Now let's check our encryption. The first thing we want to do is unlock our wallet. We'll test. We'll go ahead and unlock for staking. You'll notice in the unlock for staking, it already has a check mark in the unlock for staking. We'll go ahead and enter our password. Now we'll go ahead and unlock fully. And you'll see the check is gone from unlock staking. This would be where you would want to be able to send out block from your wallet. When it's unlocked for staking, you are not able to do so. Now let's go ahead and lock the wallet. Now, if you wanted to change your password, you can click the Change Password. To change the password, you'd enter your old password. We'll enter the one we just created. Now we'll enter a new password. And then click OK. And those were all the options on how to set up a Blocknet wallet. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, of course, you can visit with us in Discord. You can also visit with us in Telegram, and of course, always on the website, www.blocknet.co.